Alright everyone, so it has come to my attention that I've reached 100 subscribers, and I said last video that I was gonna do a crazy thing when we hit 100 subscribers. I was gonna show you guys how to make a texture pack. This video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a texture pack and what tools I used. Also, this is a mobile guide, so I'm pretty sure this works on Android, but I personally have an iOS phone. I mean, I have an iPad, but like, whatever, okay? But personally, I have an iOS iPad, so this is gonna work on iOS, I know for 100%. I don't know about Android, but I'm pretty sure it will work. Anyways, make sure to enjoy the video, and I will see you guys when we get to the actual tutorial. Alright, so before I do actually get into the tutorial, I hate to ask this, but please do subscribe and join my Discord. It has a lot of members, it is very active. I mean, it is a bit active, and we also have Dank Memer, so you must join. It's very fun. So anyways, let's get started. So the way to make a texture pack is to first have 3 apps and 3 browser extensions. They're all free, don't worry, no money. So the first one is Documents by Riaddle. It's really easy to get. Just go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search up Documents. And already, if you haven't already figured this out, this is not a Java edition tutorial. This is only for Bedrock edition on mobile. I don't know how to do it for Xbox or PS4. I'm pretty sure you can't, but you want to get Documents by Riaddle. Documents PDF file. It should look like that. All right, not Google Docs. It should look like this icon right here. After you have that app, you want to also make sure that you have some sort of browser app like Safari. After that, make sure to have this app called Mediafire. If you want to share your texture pack, it'll help you. So you want to have Mediafire as well. If you want to share, of course. If you don't want to share your texture pack, then you don't need Mediafire. You could also get the Mediafire app if you only want to. You could also use the browser extension, but I prefer to use the app. After that, you want to go into Safari, okay? And you want 3 more browser extensions. You want to have your Pixlr, which is a photo editor, online UUID generator tool, and your add-ons FAQ. I'll put all of these browser extensions in the description, but the apps, I'm hoping that you guys can just go onto the App Store, because I can't really link apps, or else the Android users won't be able to do it. So I don't want to link apps. I just want to, let you guys go and search it up on the App Store or Google Play Store. I did not mean to do that. Don't ask me what that is. Okay. Anyways, the first thing you want to do is have a base for your texture pack. You can't just do it out of thin air. You need some sort of base for your texture pack. So if you already have a texture pack that you've downloaded and you're ready to use as a base, let's say a random texture pack, I don't know, RKY-Fall or Atlantism, some sort of texture pack if you already have and ready to use, then go ahead and use that. But if you don't have a base, you don't have a texture pack to make your texture pack on, that's fine. We could use the good old Minecraft texture pack. This is the classic Minecraft texture pack, the classic vanilla Minecraft texture pack. So the way to get this is you have to go to help.minecraft.net, and I'll put the exact link in the description. You have to go to home, playing Minecraft, and add-ons FAQ. So once you get to this site, which I'll put in the description once again, you want to scroll down to how do I use add-ons. Once you go here, you'll see download these zips of the resource packs and the behavior packs. The resource pack is the one that you want to download because we're making a resource pack, not a behavior pack. If you really want a behavior pack tutorial, search it up. I don't know. I might make one soon if I learn how to. But let's start with the resource pack. So we're gonna download our base. Okay, I've already downloaded this, and it's actually a lot of storage. It takes 56 megabytes. So I would suggest you find an actual texture pack to base it off of. But if you want to base it off of the vanilla texture pack, go ahead. That's why my pack is large. That's the screw up I did. I should have based it off of another pack. I should not have based it off of vanilla texture, but it's okay. It's okay. After that, you want to just go and make sure you downloaded it. After you download it, it should be in your files somewhere. I don't know what you Android users have. I'm pretty sure it's just files, but iPhone users, go into your files and try to find your zip. So this is my downloads. This is the vanilla texture pack, right? Resource pack. All right. So if you've downloaded a zip version like this, if you make sure your version is either zip or MC pack. Hopefully it is a zip, because then it'll be a bit easier. Then what you want to do is press compress or uncompress down here. I'm pretty sure it's uncompress, and it'll make a folder of itself here. After it does make a folder, the cool thing you can do is you can press share and copy the documents. Okay, I'm not gonna click it because it's a lot of megabytes, and I already have a vanilla resource pack example over there. But if you do not have any of this, you want to press uncompress on files for your zip. Then it will make a folder of itself. Then you want to move this to your documents, because documents is easier to use. And then voila, it should be in your documents. So if I go over here, documents, bada bing, bada bam, boom. Oh no, I opened the wrong thing. Okay, it should be in your documents, right? So it'll originally look like this zip. Okay, it'll originally look like this orange thing. Don't mind this, because I was trying to make this tutorial earlier and it failed because I was doing things wrong. I wasn't doing it right. So here is my zip, right? After you do that, all you want to do is simply click on it. Okay, and it should make a copy of itself. Okay, it should make a copy of itself. If it doesn't, that is because you have MC pack and not an actual zip. It will not work with an MC pack. Okay, so if you need to get a Java pack to base off of, I would suggest doing that. But most likely, I would suggest you get a resource pack off of Minecraft, the vanilla resource pack. It'll be awesome to make the texture pack with. Okay, so get that, put it into documents, and then make sure it is a folder. So once you click on it, it will make a folder like this one over here. Okay, after you have your folder, you're ready to edit. You're ready to edit, you would think. First, you have to change your UUID and your description of the pack and your title. So I've already done it, but let me go ahead and show you how you guys can do it. So you want to go to your manifest, okay? It'll be right here in the vanilla resource pack, or any resource pack. There'll be a manifest. Oh no, I did not mean to do that. Oh no. Okay, so any resource pack, there will be a manifest. I'll go ahead and show you. If I go to rat fault, boom, manifest right there. If I go to, I don't know, Atlantism, boom, manifest right there, right here. So there will be a manifest. You want to go to your vanilla resource pack, go to your manifest, and you want to change your UUID and your description and your name. So I've already made the name and stuff and the description, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So what you want to do is you want to go to your next browser extension, which is the UUID generator tool. All right, I will put it in the description. You can just go ahead and get the UUID. So it should look like this, exactly like this. Okay, what you want to do is scroll down to the version 1 UUID generator right here. Okay, it'll be on the left. Then you want to go to the bulk version 1 UUID generation. How many? When it's asked how many, you want to press 2 and generate. It will give you these two very identical but different UUIDs, as you guys can see over here. It's different. So what you want to do, you want to copy paste both of them one by one. So you want to copy paste the first one, go back to your manifest, and you want to put it in your UUID. Okay, I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again. Okay, so your first UUID is right up here, over here. This is your first UUID where you can copy it into. All right. After that, you want to go back down and copy your second UUID, which is right there. Then after you copy that, you want to go down to documents, and then you want to go to this UUID right here. After you get your UUIDs, you're basically done with your UUIDs. Then you want to go ahead and do your descriptions and your title of the thing. So if you want to name your texture pack, I don't know, whatever. I chose red food. Don't ask why I chose red food, okay? I just did. I just don't ask, okay? So after that, after you name your texture pack, you want to then go to your description and make it whatever you want. I chose sub to Steve because you have to subscribe to me. And then you can do your other description as who it's made by if you really want to. That's your choice though. I don't really care. But you have your description, your other description, your name, and your UUIDs. Then you're done with manifest, okay? If I went too fast and you didn't understand, let me explain it one more time. Go to your UUID generators, type in 2 on the left, bulk version 1. Get your 2 UUIDs, copy one, put it into documents, copy the other, put it into documents, and then put your description, name, and your other description. if you can't see your descriptions, I literally zoomed in to show you. If you can't see it, sit down. You need to get, I'm joking. But you should be able to see it. After that, you're done with your manifest. And now you have it for your bedrock version of Minecraft. So after that, you want to make sure you have your actual textures done. So what you want to do, everything here that you see right now, they're not that important. If you really want to change stuff, here, apart from your textures, I would go to entity. I would look at the entities, and if you want to change anything about the entities, the way they move and they work, that's basically changing as a resource pack. But if you really want to change anything, I would suggest going to sounds and changing the sounds or texts of the how Minecraft looks like. Other than that, you want to go ahead and go to textures. You want to go to your items, and these are all of your items. And I'm going to go ahead and explain what these items do. So these items are basically what they show in your chest and inventory, okay? How they like show on the game, okay? It doesn't show on the outside. It's not how it shows on the outside. It's how it shows that as an item, as an image, okay? So if I looked in my inventory and I saw a diamond chest plate, that's how it would look like. But if I looked on the outside and I saw a diamond chest plate, that might not look like what it looks like, okay? So your items, you edit it however you want. I will teach you how to edit it shortly. Let me just go through it. So this is how it will look like in your inventory. The cake will look like that in your inventory. Okay. Then, if you let's say you're editing your armor, so you're done with editing your armor. Let's say, okay. But you don't. When you see it, it's not showing on the outside. Okay. That's because you have to go to models and you have to click on armor and you have to change it there. If you don't change your model's armor, it will just look default, okay? You have to change your model armor. So, because this is what it looks like on the game. I know it's stupid, it takes so long, but you have to do it, okay? You can do the same thing for netherite, same thing for chain, cloth. I wouldn't suggest doing chain. But after you're done with that, you've got your armor and your items, okay. If you want to change anything else, I would suggest the GUI, basically your buttons and how it looks. Also, I would change, if you really want to, your particles. The particles I would actually change. It looks beautiful. Your environment, you want to change your destroy stage, or your sun and moon. I would suggest changing. I did, at least. I'm showing everything that I changed. You want to try and change your blocks, mostly the wool if you're a PvP person. And that's pretty much it on what you might want to change. So now let's actually start talking about how we changed it. So first, you want to know what you're changing. So let's say I wanted to change, I don't know, the golden apple, okay? I'm going to first click the 3 dots and press share and press save image. Boom, I now have the image of the golden apple. But let's say you want to, and just in case you do, let's say you want to change more than one thing than golden apple. You want to click this big select button. You want to click whatever you want to change. You want to press share down here, and then you'll save 7 images if you want to. How many ever images you want to. But for now, I'm just going to use one image or golden apple as an example. So after you have your golden apple changed, you want to go to your third and final browser extension called the photo editor, aka Pixlr.com. I will put all of this in the description. Pixlr will be in the description. Okay, after you're here, it should have a little open image button right here. Press open image, press photo library, and whatever photo you just saved. Press add. After you have your image, then you can start editing. I'm not going to explain everything on how to edit on Pixlr, but I will explain some things. Alright, first of all, how to edit 1 pixel at a time. This is what you should do. You should always edit 1 pixel at a time, okay? If you start with you should use the brush tool. Because by default, it will be at 40, so you don't want to use it by default. You want to go to your brush right up here. You want to click 40. We want to make a 1 pixel, and the softness is 0%. Then you can edit 1 pixel at a time. It'll be awesome if you want to use your brush. The other tool you want to use is your eraser. You want to make sure that's also 1 pixel so you don't mess up every time. This is your color picker. You pick a color out of this. It's very useful. And it will go into your recent colors down here. So your color picker you can custom pick as well. If once you press OK, it will save to your recent colors. Okay. And if you want to change the whole thing at once, you want to press select all pixels. It will select the outline. You then want to click gradient, and boom, whatever gradient you want. You don't have to do that gradient. I was just showing an example. Literally any gradient, and boom. And then maybe I could do an outline. I don't know. Just go around with my paintbrush and show, hey, this is a golden apple. See? Looks awesome. And let's say, oh no, I messed up. I don't want that anymore. Then you would go back to draw. On the right side, you would see history. You want to go back, and then it will be read it. That's pretty much it. So once you have your item done, once you have it done, and you're ready to put it into your texture pack, you're good with it. Maybe I should use a different gradient. This doesn't look that good. And let's use this one. Okay. Once you have your item ready, all you want to do is you want to go to, don't click off. You want to go to File, up here, Save as PNG. You want to make sure it's PNG here, okay? If it's not PNG, it won't work, okay? It has to be a PNG. You can change the file name if you want to. It's not required, but you can. I'll do gold boy. All right. No, not gold bio, gold boy. After you do that, you just want to download the image, and make sure your palette down here. Let me go ahead and show you. Make sure your palette down here is dependent on what type of image you're doing. Like I'm doing a 16x right now, which means 16 by 16. If you're doing a 32 by 32, it'll take a bit longer, but you have to use a different palette. So once I got my gold boy ready, I can go back to documents, and I'll go back to items. So once I'm in my items tab, then I want to make sure to look at my item that I'm gonna change. So it's my golden apple golden. All right. So you want to make sure you remember the name, or else it won't work. Remember the name of the item, okay? Exactly how it's spelled. It's apple_golden. Okay, after you're done with that, delete apple_golden and bring in the one that you just edited. So I edited my apple_golden, and oops, here it is, my gold boy. So once I got my gold boy, I want to rename it. Delete everything before PNG. It should already put you before PNG. And we're going to apple_gold and there we go. Now it's in your images and it's in your items. Okay, so that's how you edit basic items in here. If you you can literally do this with anything, including the models of the armor, the entities. If you go to entity, you can edit entities like the bed. You can edit stuff like Enderman, cow, hoglin. I don't care, but like that's how you edit stuff, right? So let's say you edit everything, blah blah blah, and you're ready. You're ready to I'm ready to export it. I'm ready to put it into my Minecraft and use it in game. Okay, once you're ready with that, you want to go back all the way. All right, once you're back at your palette and you've done everything, guys, you've edited your whole texture pack. You've done your UUID, you've done your title, your description. You're ready to post this. You're ready to put this on, either share this with your friends or just keep it for yourself. You want to first find where your texture pack is. Then you want to click on this 3 dots and press share. Then you want to let this prepare for a while because it's a big pack, okay? It should be a pretty big pack, and you want to save this to whatever files you have, okay? You want to save it to your natural files, okay? But once you press save, make sure to press resource packs. Okay, we're gonna save to resource packs on my iPad or your Android. I don't know, but this is gonna take a while, so I'm gonna cut from here. And once we are done with this transaction, I will get you guys back, and we're just waiting for it to go to your resource packs, and we will be done. All right, guys, that took about 2 minutes, and it finally did export to my files. But now it should be in the resource pack folder in my Minecraft. So what I did was I exported it to the resource pack folder in Minecraft, and if you scroll all the way down, I think it's called red food, right? And I put it as this one, vanilla resource pack. Yay! You can also change the pack icon by simply deleting this pack icon and putting in your own, but I'm not gonna do that. But now that we have our vanilla resource pack, it will be in Minecraft, right? So if I go into Minecraft and if I wait for a while, it will be there. And I'm gonna teach you guys how to share your file onto Mediafire after I go ahead and look and check if it is on Minecraft. So I'll see you guys when we can check it's on Minecraft. Alright guys, moment of truth to see if it is in my resource pack folder. It looks like, hey, we got, oh, did I have 3 packs activated as once? Huh. But yes, our red food pack is activated, and holy crap, that is 82 megabytes. Yeah guys, you want to be careful with what you have. I'm actually going to delete the pack because I'm scared of it. It's going to be very, very big. But I'm going to go ahead and delete the that texture pack. But yeah. But that's how you get the pack onto your thing, okay? I would suggest using a good template, not that one. But once you have your pack, that's pretty much it. I'm now going to teach you guys how to share your pack. So you want to hop out of Minecraft. I was just checking Minecraft, you know? So once you're ready to share, what you want to do, you want to go to Mediafire, okay? This is your sharing software, okay? You make an account for yourself, okay? I already have an account for myself. Okay, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on your profile picture. You can customize your avatar if you want. I did not mean to do that. But what you want to do is you want to go to upload, add file, okay? And you want to try and get your resource pack, right? But the problem about this is that it won't work on the app. So what you have to do is you want to do more. Or you have to try and get it to go to the, basically guys, you have to try and get it to go to Safari. So I'm trying to do that right now. Ah, found it. So go on account, and then I'll go back to Mediafire. I'm gonna go to mediafire.com, right? So I'm gonna click on Mediafire. I go back to Mediafire. And now once I'm here in the browser extension, so I wanna go to the app, right? I wanna go, and then I wanna get to the browser extension. There's a way to do it. After that, you wanna simply click upload, okay? And then here it says add folder. So you wanna click add folder, click browse, okay? Then go to where your pack is. Mine was red food, I remember. And once I find red food, let me look everywhere for my red food pack. Red food. Where is red food? Food. Yeah, I can't find it. Let me look one more time. Hold on. You want to go here, browse, and I have to go scroll all the way down. And let's look for it. Red food. I don't know, but it should be somewhere. Once you find your pack, you simply want to just click on it and upload it. But the thing about it is sometimes it won't allow a big file like a folder onto it. So what you have to do beforehand sometimes, guys, is you have to go to documents. And you have to make sure your pack is actually an MC pack. I maybe should have said this at the beginning, but I'm a bit stupid. So make sure you copy this, okay? Copy it to your files. Copy your same vanilla resource pack. You want to simply rename it to .mc pack, okay? You want to simply rename it .mc pack. And after you name it .mc pack, then you want to share it to Mediafire. I'm sorry, I should have said that. But after you do that, you want to click rename it to .mc pack. Done. And it should become an MC pack. Right here. And after you do that, you want to click on it. You want to select it. Okay? Then you want to press compress. And once you click compress, guys, this compress button, you're done. What will happen is that the file will compress into an MC pack and you can share it onto Mediafire, okay? After you compress the file, you want to go to Mediafire browser. Then you want to press upload, select the file, and you'll select the file that you shared onto your files, and you'll be done. It'll upload. So that's basically how to make a texture pack and how to upload it. If you guys did not understand how to upload the media file, if you really want, leave a comment saying to make a different video. But that's how to make a texture pack. Hopefully this helped, guys. This is an iPhone and iPhone tutorial. I don't know if this will 100% work on Android, but make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching, and goodbye.